Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some news about Fedora 39 that we need to share with you. Stick around to find out all the details. So, Fedora 39 was initially aiming for an early final release on October 18th, but unfortunately, that didn't quite work out. It got delayed and then delayed again. Now, the earliest we can expect Fedora 39 is November 7th. The delay was primarily due to some Raspberry Pi-specific bugs. There was even some consideration about releasing Fedora 39 with these known bugs for Raspberry Pi users, with plans to update later. However, while trying to prepare the images for release, some new bugs emerged. First up, we've got bug which affects F39 RC 1.2 images, where sometimes they have RC in their name. Now, this might not seem like a big deal, but it can actually cause issues. Some Fedora editions have RC in their file name, while others do not. This inconsistency can lead to problems for users and programs trying to match the file names and checksums. So, it's been determined that file names matching expectations are necessary and warranted. And that's not all. We've also got another bug. This one's a bit more serious. When there's a failed media check error during a bare metal install, it immediately disappears and shows a black screen. Instead, it should indicate that the Fedora ISO media is corrupted. This issue has been replicated on multiple systems and in both UEFI and BIOS modes. Currently, it's under investigation. In light of these issues, the decision has been made to delay the release of Fedora 39 until at least November 7th. If you haven't encountered these errors, it's worth noting that Fedora 39 is in excellent shape. That's all for today's update on Fedora 39. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.